Hello, today we would like to show how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on this POCO X4 GT smartphone. First of all, let's launch the keyboard itself. At the top right part of your keyboard, tap on this icon that stands for the clipboard, turn on this toggle, and from now on the clipboard will be successfully active. After which, if you want to remove some of the elements you have over here, tap on the pencil, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and after that, tap on a trash bin. In case you want to add anything to the clipboard, just copy. So I'll type in some random set of characters, select, copy, and once I get back to the clipboard section, I'll clearly see that it has been successfully added as the most recent clipboard element. And from here, if you want to paste any element you have over here, just tap on it like so, and it will be, well, pasted to any like typing bar or typing source that you have launched the keyboard from. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.